When you pray, prayer should not be a struggle. When you pray, the devil should struggle. When you pray, the forces of darkness should struggle. Because 2,000 years ago, my Jesus made a public spectacle of the enemy and he stripped him of his power. How dare you tell me that the devil has more power than God? If you're saying that kind of things and you're praying those kind, oh Lord, where are you, Lord? Give me power. No, the power is inside your belly. Christ inside you. The day you got born again, Jesus in all his power came to make his abode in your house, in your heart. The permanent residency of Jesus Christ is in your spirit, man. Where you go, Jesus goes.